Do you know what is this? This is called oil spills caused by human activities and one of the biggest threats to our oceans, rivers, and marine life. Every year, accidents from oil drilling, transportation, and leaks dump millions of gallons of oil into water bodies. This causes water pollution, kills wildlife, and disrupts entire ecosystems. Many of these spills happen due to human negligence. Ignored warning signs, risky well designs, or faulty pipelines can lead to disasters like Deepwater Horizon spill. Once oil enters the water, it's very hard to remove. Cleanup efforts include using absorbent materials, containment dooms, and bioremediation using microbes to naturally break down oil. But the real solution is prevention, enforcing strict safety standards, using safer technology, and raising public awareness about protecting our water. And there's a movie about Deepwater Horizon, and I recommend watching it.